it's your girl Ashley. If you're new to my channel, what's up? So I'm filming an intro very late right now because I didn't do a proper intro for this video. So today I wanted to take you guys with me to celebrate my birthday. I am in Cancun, Mexico, and today the way I'm going to spend it is by going to do a tour and go to this park called XPLOR. So in there, you're going to go ahead and see me like zip line as well as rafting and swimming under caves and things like that. So this is just more of an adventurous kind of park that you want to go to instead of just like chilling. You have to actually do kind of, you know, some activities. So I'm bringing you guys along with me. I couldn't record myself really with a selfie stick because they're not allowed, but you guys will see in general what the park is about and what you do, and hopefully you enjoy this. Make sure to follow my Instagram, Snapchat, because I post little previews of what I'm filming and all that goody good stuff. And let's go on with the vlog. Good morning, guys. So right now we are waiting for our little bus that's going to take us to the tour that we're going to be doing today. So it's just me and my mom today. So we're going to be doing the Explore one. So it's going to be a very adventure, and my mom doesn't like being on camera, but here I have her with me. I told her right now I feel like I look like I'm going to the challenge because of my braids. I never wear my hair like this, but I'm going to be getting wet. So hey guys, so because I'm not going to believe this, so when I bought the GoPro, it came with the thing that goes inside the helmet. I know I'm looking a little funny right now, but I left it in the hotel because I didn't think I would need it, but apparently I can't, like, my hands need to be free for this whole activity here. So thankfully they saved my life because they were selling here the little straps that go for the helmet. So a lot of the adventures today that you guys are going to see is kind of like point of view, because I'm going to be showing you guys the outside, not really me, which I guess is the whole point. So just want to clarify that for you guys. story for you guys. Right now, we're eating, and I'll show you guys what I'm eating, but when I was doing one of the things and I fell in the water, my GoPro fell off. So I basically lost my GoPro, but then the guy was able to get underwater and, you know, look for it, and he found it, thankfully, because I was about to cry. But also, when I was recording, I noticed that I kept the little clear tab thing on, so I really hope that the footage comes out good. I wouldn't know until I get home and I transfer the things, but I want to show you guys real quickly what I'm eating. So we got a salad over here, and then this is ceviche of soya. So for those, you know, veggie people, this is some bomb ass ceviche. And then here I have like some ribs, some cebollitas, res, como carne asada. And this is very popular here. This is the cochinita pibil or something like that. It's pork basically, but I have some mango juice. And there's way more options. I have pasta, hamburgers, fries, all that kind of stuff here. Finally back in my room. I am so exhausted. I should have recorded this before, but I couldn't wait because I saw it and I was like, I'm hungry, I'm just gonna eat it. But as soon as I walked in here, you guys, look what the hotel made for me. They're just so sweet. It says happy birthday. It's like, you know, chocolate. It's in there, and it was I'll insert the clip that I recorded from my Instagram. But yeah, they did that. Miss Ashley, you know, thank you for celebrating this special occasion with us. Happy birthday. You know, it's just a small little detail, and that was just very, very nice of them. They didn't have to do that. And look, it still looks beautiful out there. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Honestly, I have zero clue on how this vlog is going to turn out because It was all interesting events today. I just really hope this comes out good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, thank you for just, you know, spending some time with me on my birthday. And thank you for all the birthday wishes that you guys are sending my way. Also, thank you to Lucy for making that video for me. I had no idea that she was going to be doing that and uploading it on my YouTube channel. So if you guys haven't seen it, you guys should check it out. It's like a little story of our friendship. I know someone commented saying like, you guys are so beautiful, but are you guys more than friends, or like, are you guys serious, or like, I don't know how like they worded it, but basically saying like if like me and her are together, and like, you know, basically we are, but like at the same time we're not, if that makes, like, she's just my soulmate, period. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!